Hello, I am super excited to show you 2 packages that have arrived from Elena Putman. Well, she lives in Arizona. These came, they were shipped in Canada to me, and I am super excited. She asked for my address, and then I was like, she's sending me something, and I couldn't remember what it was, and I thought we could open them together because I couldn't remember exactly what it was. So let's see what she sent. So her and I have worked on a couple of videos together. We did the Palo Verde video that we did and the Ocotillo Blossom video. And she just very kindly decided to send me some more. So, ooh, okay. So she's got 3 skeins. Looks like dandelion? Something. So there's a lovely brown, a lovely kind of midnight purple, and then kind of like a yellowy tan, almost like, looks like a little bit like dandelion. So let's see what she's dyed. I think she's hand dyed those. Oh, something's vacuum packed. Okay, I'm not sure what these are. Are these dyes? Are these, do I have a pair of scissors? Okay, hang tight. This looks like some serious vacuum sealing. Okay. Oh, it's yarn. Ooh, it's stunning. So here is some stunning olive green. And this one is marigold over dyed with polyozellis. So polyozellis. Oh yes, I sent her some polyozellis multiplex, that blue chanterelle mushroom once upon a time. So there it is. It's come out like this really lovely, almost like an ashy brown, or it's got like a little bit of slate. And then this beautiful yellow. I couldn't even tell that this was yarn. That's how well the vacuum pack worked. So this is her Palo Verde, so no pH adjustment with alum. So there you go. What a beautiful bright yellow that she managed to get. It doesn't say whether it was fresh blossoms. We can ask her. I'm going to assume those are some beautiful fresh blossoms. I can't believe she sent me all this stuff. So exciting. Sunflower. Oh, I bet you this is with iron. I wonder if this is the... Isn't there like a black Hopi sunflower? I'm not sure. So this one is kind of definitely more of a slate gray, but you could definitely see how you could make a project, like a little cowl or something, or maybe even gloves. They're nice and soft. The wool is really nice and soft. Okay, so the first, why don't we actually open this package too? Now that we're, this is so lovely of her that she's just sent this. Okay, so here's the rest. Alum mordant. Red onion and brown onion. So that's a mixture of the onions. It's nice. It would go well with this yellow. And this is the midnight blue. Oh, I don't know. It doesn't say what it is. Probably logwood, if I had to guess. I would say that looks like a cold logwood to me. Okay. Now we're going to do number 2. Okay. Okay, this also, it's funny, like at first I couldn't tell what it was, but I think this is also yarn. It's a lovely pink. You can hear it? Hear that air hissing in? Sometimes there's the little things. Okay. Oh, there's quite a bit of it. What is it? Okay, if I could guess. I have no idea. Prickly pear. Oh, here's prickly pear fruit. Alum, no mordant adjustment. So prickly pear. More prickly pear, I bet you. There you go. I couldn't identify it, but I've also never seen fiber dyed. Is this also prickly pear? Oh, this is Brazilwood. Okay, so Brazilwood's got a little bit more of a reddish tone. Prickly pear, and this is still prickly pear. Oh. Interesting. I think those are that's Brazilwood and that's the prickly pear. I've always wanted to try dyeing with prickly pear. I haven't yet. I think she's just sent me a ton of dyed fiber, which is awesome. What am I going to do with all of this? Am I going to weave something? I don't know. Let's weave something. Why not? Okay. pH. So no, yeah, pH to 10. So we boosted the pH. Lobster mushroom. Okay, great. So this is a lobster mushroom, which is pH sensitive. So kind of at a neutral 7, you're looking at a peachy orange, and then it climbs up into the pinks and purples. So pH of 10 is, that's great. Oh, sorry, I should lift it up so you can see. Oh, is this Romaria with iron? pH of 10. So Romaria is an interesting mushroom. It's one of those coral mushrooms. And in general, you have to dye with it right away. This is one of those rare mushrooms you can't freeze. You can't freeze dry. You can't, freeze temperature wise. You can't dry it. It's just, you got to use it right away. So I haven't seen it with iron before. I think this is one of the ones you use no mordant to get the purple, but here with iron, you get kind of like a rosy brown, almost like a salmon, but not quite a salmon. And this is, this is the Polyozellus multiplex. Fantastic. So this is another local mushroom. It grows here at higher elevations with yellow cedar, and it is a beautiful mushroom with lots of medicinal. And then this one is another sort of a lovely brown. It's hard, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but it's got lots of sort of variability, and it's almost got like a little bit of green, a little bit of a yellow to it. It's really nice. Well, what a giant haul. Amazing. So here we go, Elena Putman. Thank you so much for this amazing haul. What an incredible, vibrant group of colors. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. What an amazing gift to just get in the mail one day. Thank you so much.